Hello viewers, I want to show you how to fix eFootball download stop and download problem not working. Okay, let's start. Follow my whole step. Just open your Play Store. Search eFootball. Update eFootball. I am already updated. Open your setting option. Tap on apps option. Tap on app manager. Now search eFootball. Now storage, clear cache and clear data. Allow all permission. Now restart your phone. Done. Please do subscribe my channel and support me. Follow my next video.